Unexpected roadblocks. You can see our concrete hole here. You never know what you're going to find hiding underneath the liner, and that's why we have that written in our contract, that unforeseen objects under the ground, such as the whole pond being made out of cinder blocks. It's kind of hard to put our liner back up against that. So it created a lot of additional soil work that had to happen. We had to reduce our number of blocks, making the reservoir a bit smaller. It added a little bit of complications and it offset in some areas, but yeah, that was I'd say that's the biggest challenge of this job, is the concrete formation that's there underneath the pond. So. Hey everyone, it's Tristan with Modern Design Aquascaping. So yes, you can see we're back at AgriFeed. This is the finished product. We came in with our plants. We've got some zephyr lilies that are pushed off over into the sides. Those are the white flowering plants. They actually stay green year round. We got some moss that we brought in here just to dress everything up, and then AgriFeed actually did some sedums on the sides and some creep and jetty coming down in to just help button everything up. But one thing we just had to do when we finished, we only had these 2 fountains in the waterfall. We didn't have what I like to call the raining rock. That's what I dubbed it, the raining rock. So it's just got a super low water flow going with it. A nice plant tucked in the front with a bladder to hold the water and actually allow the aquatic to survive in what appears to be a more dry environment. And then you have just the rain. It looks like rainfall rolling down the rock. But there was enough room to do it, and that's just what we do. We can't help it here at Modern Design. We always want to go all in, and that's what we've done here. So, enjoy. Thanks.